Hi guys, it's Goddess Gail. So today I would like to do the review for this Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. Oh my god, I haven't unboxed it yet. Let's do it. By the way, I'm not into the packaging of that brand. Anyway, I would like to tell you a quick story about this one. I remember this one was so famous when I was in college. I couldn't afford back then, so I got a coupon code to use at the mall near me, so I got it. I even got a concealer and the foundation. Let's get started. Oh my god, looks too beautiful. By the way, this is the shade number 4. On my face, I have nothing on, only the sunscreen. I'm not gonna put a primer on to see the real texture of this foundation. I'm gonna use one side with the foundation brush and the other side with my favorite sponge. And I would like to use the Sigma F80. That one is one of my most favorite flat top kabuki brushes. But I haven't washed it, and I feel like this one is my new favorite as well. I don't even know that they have the Luminous Silk Glow Concealer. So the name is kind of scary because I feel like we would want the kind of matte concealer on the center of our face to finish everything. Oh my god. The concealer is beautiful as well. My god, I look so naked. I know it's kind of late to get my hand on this one, but I feel like it's the OG foundation that back then everybody talked about it, so I want to try it by myself. Let's zoom in. Oh my god. Oh, it's a pump. That's great. So it's a small. This is 2 pump. It's just like 2 drops. It's kind of good that it's not too much. I don't like to put on a lot of foundation. By the way, it's 6 p.m. right now and the sun is going down. Oh my god, I have to be hurry. And this is the complexion blender brush from Real Techniques. And I bought this foundation like weeks ago, and back then I have a lot of tan because I went to vacation before that, so I hope this one is not too dark for me. And I remember this one was like the holy grail for dry skin. Oh my god, it looks so glowy, so beautiful. But on here, you see I have a lot of scars, the scars from pimples, and I feel like it's not that full coverage because you still can see it. Anyway, I'm gonna move on to the other side, and I'm gonna use a Pro Beauty Blender. Just, oh my god, this one is a lot bigger pump. So 1.5 pump. By the way, it's so expensive for this foundation, but just want to splurge myself. Oh, it glides on this side so beautifully, and I'm sorry for my voice, it's kind of cracked right now. feel a little bit sick, but anyway. My god, it's so quick on this side. But as usual, foundation brush side is more matte and this one is more glowy. But I feel like I'm more into this sponge side. I don't know. So I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. Anyway, I feel like it's not full coverage. It's kind of a little bit sheer and more to medium coverage. So I would like to put it on for one more layer on each side to see how it looks. Putting on foundation. So relaxing. Doesn't feel like I put anything on though. It's so lightweight. I like that. It looks a lot better for the second layer on my scars, but you can still see some of it, but that's okay. I like the finished look of the sponge side better, but of course it's less coverage. As you can see, barely covers my pimples. But for the foundation applicator, I think it's so luminous and really beautiful. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. They both look beautiful. I don't know. I bet it will look so beautiful. Normally I will use a pimple cover concealer and those will be gone and the foundation would look so luminous. Oh my god, it looks so good. This is the priciest foundation that I have ever tried. Oh my god, she's beautiful. How many ml do you get for this one? It's 12 mils. That's not bad. The foundation is 30 mils. That's the staple for the foundation. Oh my god, the applicator. I think it's like dome. Looks so similar to those lipstick. It's kinda cute. Oh my god. This is a number 2. I love the foundation that is lighter. I shouldn't put on the concealer spots, but we have to try it. This is the one applicator. I feel like you don't get a lot of products, or maybe it's just me, or maybe it's the first time that I take it off. I don't know. I'm gonna blend them with the beauty blender. So easy to blend. Cover my pimples area. It's not full coverage. I think it's the medium coverage. The finished look is so beautiful though. On the under eye, it looks so good. It's good for the brightening effect. And it looks like I sleep good, eat nice. By the way, I have dry skin and sometimes it's kind of oily on my T-zone. but it's more of the dry side. It just I take a lot of supplements and it makes me oily on some area. I really like the finished look, even though it's not a full coverage, but it, oh my god, looks like I have a good skin day. Oh. I'm gonna bake real quick. I just bake every day, so I couldn't help it to bake just like my usual routine. So let's bake. And I'm gonna use the air spun grandma powder. My god, it's good for the brightening effect. Alright, it's done. I'm gonna finish my makeup look and I'll be right back. Guys, I'm so shook right now. I went to dust off the baking. My face never looks this luminous and healthy. My goodness. And the color matches so good. And I haven't put any brightening powder. Oh my god. Let's put some brightening powder. Jesus Christ. She looks so good. I'm sorry, but my concealer never looked this snatched. And it's like I had a feeling. Alright guys, this is my finished makeup look. I'm so shook. Is this how they feel when they use luxurious products? It feels like I look so healthy. The foundation looks so good on both sides. It's kind of less coverage for the sponge side and the concealer. Even though it's not a full coverage, but it's so moisturized, luminous, and so snatched. So if I put it more, it will look better than this. And even though you could see some pimples, but it's not that obvious. And the scar, I would say it looks good. If I put more of that pimple concealer, it will be gone completely. Anyway, right now it's 6:30 and I'll be back for the wear test. Hi guys, welcome back. Right now it's 6 a.m. so it's been around 12 hours. I wore a face mask for about an hour when I got out and got the food. So I would like to zoom in for you guys to see it. And here I wore the glasses while I'm working, so that's normal if things like that would happen. And on the nose, I would like to tell you guys that at first it's a little bit like patchy, but the time went by for hours, it just melted. It's a little bit oily on my nose and on my T-zone. I would say that that's kind of normal because I take a lot of supplements and it makes this area kind of oily. So I feel like it's really luminous. So I'm gonna show you the overall to see. So the other area besides this area on the nose, they still look good. The first 8 hours, this area just stay in put so good. Right now it's a little bit, I would say, because I sweat also. That's why it's not matte feeling anymore, but I sweat a lot. I'll say overall the other area beside the nose looks pretty good except here, but it kind of looks amazing. I don't have the other foundation that makes me look glowy, I would say, because I have really dry skin. The only area that might kind of shiny would be around the nose, and this is happening. But the concealer, oh my god, it still stay on pretty amazing. This is a super pricey foundation. So let's summarize the video. The longevity is great, and I feel like this one is for the normal to dry skin. If you have oilier skin than me, you need those primer or spray that is mattifying. But the finished look and the luminosity is out of this world. And on my skin, it stays on so beautifully. I don't want to rate the foundation, but I will let it to you guys to rate it by yourself. But I just enjoy it, and I don't feel like I waste a lot of money for these products. It's really a lot, as long as we look good. But guys, I have dry skin and I never have this shiny glowy sensation before, so I'm impressed and I like it a lot. That's it for my video. Thank you so much for watching. I forgot about one thing. I'll see if I could fix this issue. Oh my god. I end up dragging everything out. Oh my god. It looks worse. This is a dry sponge. By the way, this is a natural sunlight. She looks flawless. Oh my god, a natural sunlight. I still look so flawless and kind of fresh. But if I touch up a bit,